If you miss even one of these legal questions, you could end up paying for land that legally isn't yours. Many people think buying land is simple. You see the land, you pay, and you collect your documents. But every year, thousands of Nigerians lose millions of naira because they didn't ask the right legal questions before buying that land. And the scary part, some of those lands even comes with documents that looks completely legitimate. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 critical legal questions you must ask before buying any land in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria. I'm Tosin Obineye and welcome to the Wincovers Realty channel. On this channel, we talk about everything real estate, from buying and selling land, houses, farmlands, short-let investment, and real estate tips you need for safe investment here in Nigeria. If you want to invest safely, avoid scams, and understand the Nigerian property market better, make sure you like, comment and subscribe so you never miss an update. So back to our title. The very first question you should be asking is, who is the real owner of the land? You might think this is obvious, but this is where many buyers make their first mistake. Sometimes the person selling the land is not the legal owner. They could be a family member selling without consent, an agent without authority, someone who already sold the land to another buyer. Before paying for any land, always verify that the seller has legal authority to sell it, because if the real owner shows up later, your documents may become useless. Question 2. What title does the land have? This is one of the most important questions you can ask. Always ask the seller, what title does this land have? Common law titles include certificate of occupancy, that's the C of O, the gazette, accession, governor's consent. Each title shows a different level of government recognition. For example, land with a C of O is already recognized by the government. But land without proper title could become a serious legal problem later, and many buyers don't know the difference, which is why they make costly mistakes. Question 3. Is the land under government acquisition? This is a very dangerous trap. Some lands are marked by government for roads, for schools, for public infrastructure, for future development. If you buy land under government acquisition, the government can reclaim it at any time. And unfortunately, many buyers only discover this after they have built on the land. So always ask, is this land free from government acquisition? Then verify it properly. Question 4. Has the land been surveyed? Another important question you don't want to miss is there a registered survey plan on this land? A survey plan shows the exact location, the coordinates of the property. Without it, you cannot properly verify the land. You cannot confirm if it's inside government acquisition. You cannot confirm boundaries. A survey plan is one of the very first tools lawyers use to investigate the land. Then question 5, are there any disputes on the land? This question can save you from years of stress. Ask clearly, is this land involved in any family dispute or court case? Land disputes are very common. Sometimes families are fighting over inheritance, multiple people claim ownership, the land is already in court. If you buy land with an ongoing dispute, the problem automatically becomes your problem. And resolving land disputes can take many years. Yes, I said that. Question 6, has the land been sold before? You may be surprised, but some lands are sold to multiple buyers. This is called double allocation. It happens when developers sell plots, agents sell without proper records, families sell land to several buyers. You know those Omanile wahala we used to see? Exactly, that is it. So always ask, has this plot been allocated or sold to anyone else before? And make sure there is proper documentation of allocation. Question 7 right now. And the very last question you should ask is, can a lawyer verify the documents? This is the final and most powerful question. Always ask, can my lawyer verify the documents before payment? A professional land verification will check title authenticity, government records, survey verification, ownership history. Skipping this step is like buying a car without checking the engine. And you don't want to fall into that. So you might only discover the problem after it is too late. Buying land is one of the best investments you can make, but only when you do it the right way. If you ask these 7 questions before buying land, you dramatically reduce your chances of falling into expensive land problems. And if you are planning to buy verified land, houses, or invest in short-let properties in Lagos, it's always safer to work with professionals who understand the legal process. And here at Wincovers Realty, we help investors verify properties, avoid risky land deals, and find secure real estate opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with someone planning to buy land, because asking the right questions today could save someone millions tomorrow. You want to be that person saving someone. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Matchmaking your heart to your dream home is our purpose.